What's going on, everyone? I'm back again today with another review. Today is my dash cam. This is the S80 dash cam that I just got in. So the reason why I got this, two things. First off, it's 4K, which is amazing. And then second off, it has a built-in screen on the back of the camera too. One other good feature about this is it also has an app you can download, so you don't need to pull out the SD card, put it in your computer. You can do everything on your phone, which is nice. And then speaking of that SD card, it comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card in the box. So let's go ahead and break this open, then I'll show you how to install it. So again, here's all your information. You have even installation videos on your cards, and this is how you download the app. This is the VCar app. It's a very good app, believe me. These are your clear pieces that go on your windshield. And then here is the camera itself. Again, this seems like a very high quality camera. Has some nice speakers on the back, your buttons, your screen, and it is USB-C, which is nice. Let's see what else you get in the box. Looks like you get additional cables here, which is awesome. Looks like you get your USB-C to cigarette lighter charger, and then some other tools, some pry tools, some extra stickies as well. So this right here, the other reason why I love this kit is because it comes with two cameras, y'all. So this camera, go ahead and plugs in right here, and then you can run this all the way to the back of your car. So you can do it as a backup cam, or you can install this really anywhere else you like. It comes with plenty of long cable, so you can hide this cable. And then let's go ahead and see what it looks like when your front camera is set up in the car. Here, installation was a breeze. This literally took me 60 seconds. I threw the piece of plastic on there. That just prevents so the 3M doesn't stick on your windshield, so it's easy to take off. As you can see on the screen here, you can fully adjust this, which is real nice. The 170 view is amazing, so it's super wide eye, so you get everything on camera. And mine is just plugged right up into my cigarette lighter. Next, all you do is download the VCar app, and that is so easy and streamlined. This literally all takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you're ready to go. As you can see, I'm already recording, and everything gets sent right to my phone. Definitely go ahead and check this out. This is an A+ and a must-needed gift.